More areas, including 9 provinces in Mindanao and the BARM, have been declared under states of calamity due to the ongoing El Nino phenomenon in the Philippines. Task Force El Nino spokesperson Assistant Secretary Joey Villarama reported a total of 276 affected regions. The president visited these areas to provide assistance to affected farmers. As the potential impacts of El Nino are nearing conclusion, government agencies are preparing for the impending threat of La Nina by mapping hazards to identify areas vulnerable to severe flooding and landslides.
Usapan po yung pagtatayo ng mas maraming impounding facilities or yung catchment systems po para po sumalo po sa excess water po na magagaling sa matinding pagbuhos ng ulan na dulot ng La Nina. At yun po sana ang direktiba nga ng Pangulo mapakinabangan naman natin yung tubig na yon para kung magkaroon po ng drought, whether it's an El Nino